Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop HP Pavilion 15 series, and this laptop you can see giving a message like this: boot device not found. Please insert one operating system on your hard disk. Hard disk 3F0 F2 diagnosed. And then how to fix this problem. So guys, first you have to turn off your computer. As this is HP, so HP BIOS setup for F10. So first I have to power on and press the F10 for the keyboard. You can see keyboard F10. I have to press and giving this message, and go to the configuration in the keyboard left right and configuration, and you can see here is the language and down for the boot option. You have to go to boot option. This problem, this laptop was legacy boot disable. You can see disable legacy boot, only enable Uefi boot. So you have to make you can see here is disable for legacy boot, and the secure boot is enable. So first I have to uh, disable that secure boot and enable the legacy boot. If you install Windows UEF boot on this system, this problem is not coming. So here was installed Windows Legacy boot. That's why when the BIOS getting default settings, the UE boot is enable and Legacy boot is disable. The old model laptop all is two BIOS system is Legacy and the UE boot. Now all the latest laptop is only for UEF boot enable. So now I have to go to secure boot and press enter and make disable the secure boot, and then go to the legacy boot, make that the enable, and here is asking are you sure, yes, and then go to the yes and go back and go escape, and then go to the exit and saving change exit, press enter, okay, and press yes, and now take restart your computer. And after take restart computer, you do not press any key, it will be coming boot change option and giving the number 5799 and press enter. So I press 5799 and press enter, and now we'll change our boot option, and now we'll be open our Windows. You can see guys, now our Windows is opening on this system, is legacy is enabled now and booting the Windows. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.